What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another PlayStation 5 tips and tricks video, where today I'm going to show you how to make your PS5 audio sound the best using the 3D audio setting for TV speakers. If you have a PlayStation 5, then you probably know that you can make your audio sound better by enabling the 3D audio feature for your headphones. But the new PS5 update will allow you to use 3D audio with just your TV speakers, which means you no longer need a headset or a pair of earbuds to enjoy the PS5's 3D audio experience. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, go to your settings, select sound, then go to audio output, and enable 3D audio for TV speakers. Next, select measure room acoustics for 3D audio. You want to make sure that your controller software is up to date and that your controller is also unplugged from the PS5 while doing this. Set your TV volume to the same volume you use while playing games, and make sure that the room you're in is as quiet as possible while taking the 3D sound measurements. Most importantly, make sure that your DualSense microphone is not muted. If the mute light is active, then click it again to unmute the controller. Next, sit comfortably where you would normally play video games, hold the controller at face level towards the TV, and select Next to begin the measurements. And that's it. You have now optimized the 3D audio settings for your TV speakers. Remember that if you do rearrange your living space or move your PS5 to a different area, you will have to take the measurements again to recalibrate the 3D audio. And always remember to make sure your measurement results are applied and turned on at all times. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on this video, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.